Donc, on continue avec l'histoire de Jacques et les haricots magiques. Jack and the Beanstalk. Do you know what are the main features of the story? Here they are. Devinez. Try to guess the meaning of the following words. So, deviner means guess. What do you think are les pièces d'or? Le château géant. What is 5 haricots magiques? And finally, c'est quoi une tige de haricots magiques? So here are some features of the story. Could you please guess any of them? 5 haricots magiques. 5 magic beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 haricots magiques. Une tige de haricots magiques. It's the stem of a magic beanstalk. Une tige de haricots magiques. Un château géant. A giant castle. So château is castle and géant is giant. Un château géant. Les pièces d'or. Or means gold. Les pièces d'or are the gold coins. Les pièces d'or. Or is gold. Les pièces d'or. So we learned so far un château géant, une tige de haricots magiques, des haricots magiques et les pièces d'or. Now, can you show me which one is le château géant? Voici le château géant. Une tige de haricots magiques. Où est la tige de haricots magiques? Voici la tige de haricots magiques. Où? C'est quoi ça? Ce sont des pièces d'or. Les pièces d'or. The gold coins. Les pièces d'or. Et finalement, les haricots magiques. Although these don't seem to be very magic, but we learned the word haricot magique. Haricot magique. So here are the words that you learned already. In the first row, we have the characters Jacques, la mère, la vache, le vieil homme, le géant. Now in the second line, could you please try to say alone the words that we learned? Here are the answers. Les pièces d'or, le château, 5 haricots, une tige de haricots magiques. Now we move on to the second group of features in the story. So we have la poule, les œufs d'or, and also we learned the meaning of or, if you can remember, l'arbre magique et une hache. Any idea what these 4 words could mean? Let's see. La poule, the chicken. La poule. Les œufs d'or. And we learned that or means gold. Les œufs d'or are the gold eggs. L'arbre magique. Harp, I don't say harp, I say harp. So the H is silent. L'arbre magique. And it's the magic harp. But in French, I don't pronounce the H. L'arbre magique. Une hache, Same for this H here. It's a silent H. I don't say hache, I say hache. Une hache. Now that we learned the words, let's repeat from the beginning, and we will start from the line in the middle, which is the easiest. Could you please name the characters? Est-ce que tu peux nommer les personnages de l'histoire? Très bien. Jacques, la mère, la vache, le vieil homme et le géant. Let's move to the bottom line, and can you remember these features? Don't remember that or means gold. Les pièces d'or. Le château. 5 haricots. Une tige de haricots magiques. Finally, the top line. L'arbre magique. Les œufs d'or. Une hache. La poule. Could you please try to name all these pictures in French? So you look at the picture, try to name the character or the feature in French. If you can't, you can pause the video and go backwards to check the names that you missed memorizing. As for your task 1, you need to write the words in the order that they appear in the story of Jack and the Beanstalk. So, as you know, here are the words that we learned already, and they belong to the story. So, who do you think would appear first? Is it Jack or la mère de Jacques? What feature goes next? Do you think la poule goes next or la vache? Okay, so you decide. You try to recall the story a little bit, memorize the words, and try to put them in the right order according to the way they appear in the story.